Kia ora tātou. In this video we're going to look at meiosis, so another form of cell division, different to mitosis, and its importance for sexual reproduction. So let's say we've got a cell, and this cell has got 4 chromosomes. So we've often been looking at a cell with 2 chromosomes, but we're going to say that this one has 4. And we'll say that because it's got 4 chromosomes, that it's got 2 homologous pairs. So these two are homologous pairs, and these two are homologous pairs. So that means that they all, between those 2 pairs, they all carry the same alleles, or excuse me, the same genes. They might have different alleles for the same genes. So this cell could undergo meiosis, and that when it undergoes meiosis, it will produce 4 daughter cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 daughter cells, and what happens with these daughter cells is that they all have just one of those chromatids from each of the chromosomes. If I can show you what I mean. So see how you've got these lines, each chromosome has got 2 lines, so 1 line from each chromosome is going to each cell. And the daughter cells here, we often, when we're talking about cell division, the cells that are produced from cell division are called daughter cells. HTER. They have half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. So the daughter cells here are called haploid. And that means half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. So this cell has got 4 chromosomes. These cells each have 2 chromosomes. So just have a think, why would it be important for organisms to be able to reproduce and create daughter cells that have half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell? So an idea that you might have come up with is sexual reproduction. So if we've got 2 parents that are going to reproduce, each parent needs to be able to contribute 1 cell that has half the normal number of chromosomes as a normal cell, because otherwise every generation we would be doubling the number of chromosomes. So we need to, first of all, half the number of chromosomes, so when that cell combines with another cell, we then get back to the normal number of chromosomes. So these 4 daughter cells here, what we've talked about in one of the earlier videos is that these are called gametes. So gametes have half the number of chromosomes as normal cells, and so gametes can take the form of either sperm cells or egg cells. So that is meiosis, used for sexual reproduction. In the next video we'll look a little bit more into the details of what happens during meiosis, because genetic variation gets introduced to these gametes during meiosis, which is really, really important for a species, and we'll look into that as well in another video. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good one.